Hello everyone and welcome back to Software Testing with Ri. This is video 9 in our SQL Practical series, and today's topic is both essential and beginner friendly SQL operators, specifically arithmetic operators and comparison operators. These operators are used in almost every SQL query, whether you are working on database testing, data analysis, or even preparing for interviews. Let's get started. Let's start by creating our working table, faculty salaries. So this table includes information like base salary, bonus, and weekly teaching hours of different professors. So let's create our table. So we write create table faculty salaries, and let's add our columns. So we'll add faculty ID of type number, then faculty name of type varchar2 of length 50, then department of type varchar2 of length 30, then base salary of type number. Next is bonus of type number, weekly hours. Last is weekly hours of type number. Let's run this and create our table. So our table is created. Now let's quickly insert some data into this table. So we'll write insert into faculty salaries values, and then we enter values. One is faculty ID, then let's add teachers names or faculty names. So let's call first one is Dr. Mehta. He teaches physics or she teaches physics, and then the uh, now the department is physics, and base salary is 75,000 rupees. Just a second. 75,000 rupees, and then bonus is 5,000, and weekly hours are 12. Now let's add for 4 more teachers or faculty members. So this will be teacher ID, faculty ID 2, faculty ID 3, faculty ID 4, and faculty ID 5. Now let's say the name of second faculty is Professor Roy from Maths department, and the salary is 68,000, and then the bonus is 4,000, and weekly hours are 16. Now for the third teacher or faculty member, the name is Dr. Nair from computer science, and the salary is 82,000, and monthly or bonus is 8,000, and weekly hours are 10. Now coming to fourth is Dr. Ahuja. Our department is biology, and salary is 70,000, and monthly or bonus is 3,500, and weekly hours are 18. And now lastly, let's call the last faculty member as Dr. Patel from chemistry department. And salary is 69,000 and bonus is 3,000 and weekly hours are 14. Now first let's see the description or structure of our table. So we'll write describe DESC and then our table name, which is faculty salaries. And let's run this. So you see this is the structure or different columns in our faculty salaries table, which is faculty ID, faculty name, department base salary, bonus, and weekly hours. And now let's check with select command if what is inside it. I did. Now it's empty as we haven't added anything right now. So we'll write select star from table name, which is faculty salaries, and let's run this. We should get empty table. So you see it's empty, and now let's go ahead and run this and enter or insert data into our faculty salary table. So you see data is inserted. Now again let's check with select star from table name. So you see now we have 5 faculty members with different faculty ID, different name, department, and these are their base salary, bonus, and weekly hours. Now we are going to see arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators allows you to calculate values directly in SQL queries. The most common are plus for addition. And the most common, let's write here. So we are going to see arithmetic operators in SQL, and most common are addition. Then for addition, subtraction for subtraction, and then multiplication for multiplication, division for division, and modulo operator for remainder. So let's see them in action now. So let's start with the first addition. So we'll write, let's say we want to calculate total salary, which is base salary plus bonus. So which we'll write select faculty name, and then we'll write base salary plus bonus as total salary from table name, which is faculty salaries. And now let's run this. And you see now we got the name of the faculty members, and this is how you can calculate total salary using plus operator or additional operator in SQL. And now let's say this one is to calculate total salary, which was as base plus bonus. Now let's go to the second example. Let's say we want to add 2 hours to their weekly hours for each faculty member. So we are going to add weekly hours plus 2. So we can write select faculty name and then now weekly hours plus 2 as adjusted hours from faculty salaries. And now let's run this second example of additional operator. So you see now initially Dr. Mehta had 12 hours, and now we added 2 more, so it became 14. Similarly, for Dr. Patel, it was 14 hours, now it's 16 hours. So this is how you can use additional operator in SQL. Now let's go look at second arithmetic operator, which is subtraction. And let's see some examples. Let's say we want to know the net salary after removing bonus. So we want to know net salary after removing bonus. So we'll write select faculty name base salary minus bonus as net salary from faculty salaries. And now let's run this. So you see now we have for Dr. Mehta we had 75,000 as his base salary, and the 5,000 was bonus. So if we subtract, we should get 70,000. So that's what we got. Similarly, for Dr. Patel, we have a base salary of 69,000. And after removing 3,000 his bonus, so we got 66,000 as the net salary. Now let's see another example where we want to reduce teaching hours by 1 hour. So we can write reduce teaching hours load by 1 hour. So we can write select faculty name, weekly hours -1 as revised hours or hours from faculty salaries. So let's run this. So you see now we have reduced, let's see, from Dr. Patel's data, which was like 14 hours. So now we removed 1 hour. So now it's 13 hours. So you see its works, subtraction works almost similar to addition, but in opposite, like it reduces the value instead of adding value in addition. So now next operator we are going to see is multiplication, which is multiplication. Let's see 2 examples of it. So let's say we want to calculate 10% increment for in the salary. So we can write select faculty name base salary times 10%, 0.10 as increment from faculty salaries. And let's run this. So there is some mistake, so let me check where. So I removed this as statement, and now if I run this statement like select faculty name base salary times or multiplication operator, then 0.10, which is 10% of base salary, so which will give us the increment from the faculty salaries. And if we run it, so you see Dr. Patel's salary was 69,000 rupees, and now the increment shown as, which is 10% of salary, is 6,900. So this is how you can use multiplication operator. Now let's see the second example. So let's say we want to calculate total monthly teaching hours. Total monthly teaching hours. So we'll write select faculty name, weekly hours times 4 from faculty salaries. And now let's run this. So you see, now let's see for Dr. Patel it was 14 hours, and now for 4 times, like there are 4 weeks in a month, so 4 times of 14 is 56. So you see, this is how you can use a multiplication operator. Now let's check out next operator in SQL, which is arithmetic operator in SQL, which is division, which is using this is the symbol. And let's say we want to calculate monthly salary by dividing yearly salary. So we write select faculty name, comma, base salary divided by 12 from faculty salaries. And let's run this. So you see, we got monthly salaries for each faculty member, even in like long decimal digits. Now let's look for, let's say we want to calculate half of the bonus now. So we can calculate select faculty name, comma, bonus divided by 2 from faculty salaries. And now let's run this. So you see, initial bonus was 3,000 for Dr. Patel, it is 1,500 now. And for Dr. Ahuja, it was 3,500, which is 1,750 now. So this is how you can use division operator in SQL. And another operator we are going to see is modulo operator. It is a type of arithmetic operator and arithmetic operator in SQL. So we'll write percentage or mod, and like this. So in this we put our value and then with which number with which we want to calculate the remainder. So let's say we want to calculate remainder when dividing salary by 10,000 by 10,000. So let's check it out. So we write select faculty ID base, and then we'll write mod and in bracket as remainder from faculty salaries. Now let's insert the value in our mod operator. So we'll be doing a base salary percent comma 10,000, because we want to calculate the remainder from base salary. And let's run this. So you see, the base salary for Dr. Patel was 69,000, and when we divide it by 10,000, so we get 9,000 as our remainder. And similarly for Dr. Nair, it was 82,000, and then when we divide it by 10,000, we get 2,000 as our remainder, and you can see it here. Now let's check one more example where we want to calculate bonus modulo 3,000. Let's check it out. So we'll write select faculty ID mod and then bonus times 3,000, and then as bonus remainder from faculty salaries, and let's run this. So you see, we have a salary bonus of 3,000 for Dr. Patel, so we got 0 as remainder for him, and for 3,500 we got 500 as remainder. So you can see this is how we can use modulo operator. Now we have completed all the SQL operators, basic or SQL arithmetic operators. Next, let's talk about comparison operators in SQL. These are used in where clause to filter based on rows based on conditions. So we'll be looking at comparison operators in SQL, and they are used with where clause, and these operators include equal to, and then not equal to, or less than, or greater than, which is also a symbol of not equal to, and then it's less than, greater than, and less than equal to, greater than equal to. So we'll be looking examples of each of these operators. So let's first start with equal to operator. Equal to. So we'll write, let's say we want to see who belongs to physics department, or faculty member belonging to physics department. Physics department. So we'll write select faculty name from faculty salaries, where department equal to physics, and let's run this. So you see we got Dr. Mehta, and let's check our data. So you see we have Dr. Mehta with the faculty ID 1 in from physics department. So now let's check one more example of equal to operator. So let's say we want to check the records of faculty with ID equal to 3. So record of faculty with the ID equal to 3. So we'll write select star from faculty salaries, where faculty ID equal to 3. Let's run this. So you see we got Dr. Nair from computer science department's base salary bonus, and these are his weekly hours. So now the next operator we are going to see is not equal to. So not equal to, which is, so let's write, let's say we want to exclude maths department faculty from the list. So we'll write select faculty name from faculty salaries, where department not equal to math, and let's run this. So you see we got all the, okay, I got error in, you see I should have placed maths. So let's run it again. So now we should not get we should get only 4 faculty members. So we have 4 now, and let's see who belongs to maths. So you see, we have Dr. Roy, Professor Roy from Maths department, and his name is not in the list. So this is how you can use not equal to. Let's see one more example. So let's say we want to use this symbol for not equal to. So we can write select faculty name from faculty salaries, where department not equal to, and let's say maths. Oh, and now let's run this. So you see, we got the same four names as previously. Now let's try to remove a professor or faculty member from physics department, and let's run this. So uh, who is from faculty physics department? So we have Dr. Mehta, and you see his name is not there in the list. So this is how you can use not equal to operator. And now the next operator we are going to see is greater than. Greater than. So let's say we want to find the high salary faculty. So we can write select faculty name from faculty salaries, where base salary is greater than 70,000. So let's run this. So these are two faculty members with the greater than 70,000 salary. Let's check it out. So you see, we have 75,000 for Dr. Mehta and 82,000 for Dr. Nair, and that's true. And so our query with the greater than operator works. Now let's say we want to find a faculty member with the bonus greater than 5,000. So we'll write select star from faculty salaries, where bonus is greater than 5,000, and let's run this. So we have only Dr. Nair with the highest bonus of 8,000. Let's check our list. So you see, we have Dr. Nair with the 8,000 bonus. Remainings have like bonus either 5,000 or less than 5,000. So this is how you can use greater than operator in SQL. And another next comparison operator we are going to see is less than. Then, so let's see one or two examples of this. Let's say we want to know the faculty with working hours, with the fewer working hours. So we'll write select star from faculty salaries, where weekly hours are less than 15. So let's run this. So we have three professors or three faculty members, Dr. Mehta, Nair, and Patel, with the weekly hours less than 15. So let's check our table data that we inserted. So which is true, like other professors have like 16 or 18 weekly hours. So next example with less than operator. Let's say we want to know like bonus under, let's say, 6,000. So we'll write select faculty name from faculty salaries, where bonus is less than 6,000, and let's run this. So we should get one or two name at max. Oh. So we got four faculty members because all of them have like less than 6,000. And if yeah, and let's say if we want to have like bonus less than 9,000, then all the faculty members have bonus less than 9,000, because the highest we got was like only two faculty members had greater than 5,000, and maximum was 8,000 for Dr. Nair, I guess. So yeah, that's the highest. So you see, this is how you can use or use less than a comparison operator in SQL. Now the next operator we are going to see here is greater than equal to and less than equal to. So let's check. Let's say we want to check the salary greater than or equal faculty names or faculty members with the salary greater than or equal to 75K. So salary greater than or equal to 75K. So let's run. Select faculty name from faculty salaries, where base salary is greater than equal to 75,000. Let's run this. So we have only two faculty members with the salary greater than 75,000. Now let's see one example of less than equal to. So let's say we want to know the faculty name who worked less than or equal to 14 hours. Faculty who worked less than or equal to 14 hours. So we'll write select faculty name, the name from faculty salaries, where weekly hours is less than equal to 40. Let's run this. So we have three faculty members with less than 14 hours. So as we can check here, so we have Dr. Mehta, and then we have Dr. Nair, and the last one is Dr. Patel with 14 working hours. So okay, so this was our less than equal to and greater than equal to operator in SQL. Now let's quickly recap what we have covered. So first we covered our arithmetic operators in SQL, which were addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo, and I showed you two examples for each of these arithmetic operators. Next we covered was comparison operators in SQL. So what we covered was equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and I showed you two examples of each of these operators. And arithmetic operators are used for calculations like total salary, hours per month, or tax estimations. Comparison operators help us to filter rows, like if we want to know who earns more than 70K or who teaches uh, hours less than 15. So these tools are absolutely essential whether you are writing test cases, cleaning data, or building reports. Thanks for watching. I hope this hands-on session helped you to understand arithmetic and comparison operators better. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Software Testing with Ri.